Okay, boys and girls, look what I've got. What's this? A grapefruit. If I go to the store, can I buy this?
Yes.
Oh, can I bring this home?
Yes.
Yes, I could bring it home and eat it. What about this one? Let's focus to this man. Who's this?
A seller.
A seller. Now, I would like you to answer something for me. I would like you to face your partner. Face your partner and you discuss, is this something I can keep or something someone does? Okay? I have two friends here.
It is something that someone does.
Uh-huh.
I agree with my friend here because he can show me different fruits.
Oh, very good. Hocus pocus. Okay, so our two friends here, I was with them, and they said that this man does something for them. They said that he helps, right? He helps you when you buy something. Now, what are we learning today? Let's find out.
Today I am learning
About goods and services. How would I know that you are learning about goods and services?
I know I have learned it
When I can tell the difference between goods and services. Give examples of goods and services. Okay, now, in our lesson, it is very important to learn two words. We have goods. Can you say goods?
good.
Okay, goods, we can keep it. Services.
Services.
Okay, now what do we mean by goods? Okay, this is a good. We can buy it, we can keep it, and we can bring it home. For services, this is something that someone does for us. It's not an object, it's not a thing, but this is someone who does something for us. Okay? Now, I would like you to read what are goods again.
Good things
That we can see, touch, and use, that people grow or make. Okay, so this one, somebody planted this one, right? Mm-hmm. Who usually plant like this? What, Asa?
A farmer.
Very good, a farmer. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so our friend here says this one was grown by a farmer. So something that is grown or made by other people, okay? What about services? Let's read.
Service.
Services,
Services.
not an object. It's not an object. Things that people do to help others. So it's something that other people will do to help us. Okay, now let's have a practice. Let's have a practice. What's this?
A supercar.
It's a car. Now, I would like somebody to tell us, is this a good or a service? We have a friend here who's raising her hand. Okay. Is that a good or service, my friend?
It is a good because you can buy it and take it home and drive it.
Very good. Do you agree with our friend? Do you agree? Give me a thumbs up sign. Okay, so everybody agrees it is a good. What about this one? Who is this, by the way? A mechanic. Is this a good or a service? We have a friend who will answer. Okay, we have a friend here. What is that, my friend? Is that a good or a service?
A service because he can fix your car.
Ah, do you agree with our friend that a mechanic fixes our car? Give me a thumbs up sign if you agree. If you do not agree, thumbs down. Let me see. Okay, good job. So everybody agrees. Now, let's check for your understanding. Let's see. I would like you to turn to your partner and discuss, is hot dog a good or service? And then give the reason. If it is a good, you give the reason. If it is a service, you give the reason. Okay, we have our friends here who will share. So face your partner now. Okay, let's see. What is hot dog a good service?
Hot dog is a good because we can buy it and eat it.
Ooh.
Hot dog is a good because we can eat it and buy it.
Oh, what about our friend?
I usually get my candy.
Mm-hmm. Hot dog is?
Good.
Okay. Because?
Because we can eat it, take it home. No.
Okay.
And buy it.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Everybody finish with the sharing? Okay. Hocus pocus! So, I was with our friends here and I was listening and all of them agreed. All of them. They said that hot dog is a good because they said they could eat, they could buy, and they could bring the hot dog home. Oh, very good. Now, this is what we will do next. We will have show me and sort game. So, you will be using now your flaglets. Okay, get this one. If it is a good, you show me your orange flaglet. If it is a service, you use the green one. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, ready. First is dentist. Show me your answer. Let me see. Show me your answer. Okay, very good. Why did you give me the green flaglet, my friend?
Because the dentist can clean your teeth and get all the cavities out.
Oh. Do you agree with our friend? Yes, it cleans our teeth, remove the cavities. If there's bad tooth, pull it out for us. Next, show me your answer. Good or service? Let me see. Ah, very good. Aha. My friend, why is your answer good?
Because you can buy it and take it home.
Okay, you agree with our friend? Yes. Okay, next. Nurse, is that a good or a service? Okay, let me see. Show. Ah, okay. Why is that a service, my friend? Why is the nurse service, my friend?
Because
What will the nurse do?
the nurse help people when we are sick.
Oh, you agree with our friend? You agree? Ah, yes, it is a service because the nurse helps us when we are sick. Next. Aha, cupcake. Good or service? Cupcake. Let's see the answer. Aha. Let's have a friend here. Is that a good or a service?
Good.
Why?
And you could eat it and buy it and you could bring it home.
Okay. You agree with our friend? Yes. So that's a good because we can buy it, we can bring it home, and then we can eat it. Good so far?
Yes.
Now, let's move our bodies, kids. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So, if it's a good, you will stand. If it is a service, we will sit down. Okay? Ready? Number one. Okay, let's get ready. Milk. Okay. Firefighter. Shoemaker. Okay. Phone. Okay. Teacher. Very good. Good job. Okay, now I would like us, this time, we will give example, okay? Our own. So, you will tell to your partner, one example of good is blank. And one service is blank. So you give me one example of good, one example of service. Oh, this group. Okay. Okay, this group. Okay. So you can use that sentence.
One example of a good is a orange, and one example of service is a firefighter.
One example of a good is a goat. One example of a service is a gardener, because a gardener can cut your yard.
Oh, okay. Are you good?
But Bree said something. I said was good, and he said a service.
So, are you okay now?
What's the example of service? Service is
Something that someone does.
something that does for you.
And who is that? Who? Who? Give a person. Give a person.
Service.
A person. Like me. Am I doing something for you? Oh, what do you call me?
Teacher.
Okay, so teacher is a? Okay. Hocus pocus. So, you were able to give an example of good to your friend? Give me a thumbs up sign. Were you able to give an example of a service? Okay, now let's go back to our success criteria. Were we able to do these things? Let's go back. Okay. Were we able to tell the difference between goods and service? Were we able to give examples of goods and services? Oh, very good. So, good job, myself. Good job. Good job, my friends. Okay, so, good job, everyone. Let's give a round